wasted too much of my time. Don't you dare think I want you to be mine. Get away from me, it's been days you're stuck in my head and I want you gone now. Wanna hit you so bad, put all my strength in my face, then knock you out. And when you're lying down, I'ma be about to spit in your face, but look how my eyes still. Do I look like I suffer? Do I look like a pigeon watching you struggle? Never guess what, sucker. I go through this and will come out being tougher. Take a deep breath cause it's gonna hurt. Never meant to harm you, but it was a first. And as the devil told me you would be cursed. If you have a bad laugh already, well it would be worse. That what happens when you do something wrong. You reap what you sow, let's both sing it along. I could've this all the night until down. Lecturing you is not so bad at all. You told me a lot and I won't waste it all. Fortunately there's my mate alcohol trying to help me the best way he can. You can see clearer after some wrong. Can you only realize what you lost, jerk? Do you see that blondie over there, mercs? I wrote the two of you in the dirt. Doesn't even have hump, but let's make her twerk. And does not even have a brain. Come on, look at me and say my name. Look like she been knocked down by a train. Adelish, never make that mistake again. Trying to get fine, it ain't easy, oh. Actions out of line, and the old thing blow. And while you're with that hoe, I'm getting my ducks in a row. And you don't have to be mad when you find out that without you I glow. Trying to get fine, it ain't easy, oh. Actions out of line, and the old thing blow. And while you're with that hoe, I'm getting my ducks in a row. And you don't have to be mad when you find out that without you I glow. Wasn't mad at you in the first place. Always try to keep the poker face. Had hidden stuff, it was okay. I was the only one that you craved. Didn't think it was possible to have any less respect for you. Ready to punch your testicle. When I heard that twice, you've gone too far. You inspired most of my songs, but I swear to God, this is the last one I will end it. You won't be existing to me in my heart. You'll be dead in the coffin. Get it? One day you come to me begging. Can I talk to you for a minute? But you won't even have a second. You see my shoe, can you lick it? See that oil, let's spill it all over your body. That's my spirit. And I'm gonna just watch a bit until it's done. I will just it. Laying in bed, busy writing a song, smashing your head on the ground with no sound. Too long on violence, I am not bound. So nothing you think I'll be wearing the crown. Trying to get fine, it ain't easy, oh. Actions out of line, and the old thing blow. And while you're with that hoe, I'm getting my ducks in a row. And you don't have to be mad when you find out that without you I glow. Trying to get fine, it ain't easy, oh. Actions out of line, and the old thing blow. And while you're with that hoe, I'm getting my ducks in a row. And you don't have